Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here for sale today. This is a kind of a mixture motor. The transom bracket on the original engine was busted, so we did replace that out. The power head, everything else is a 1992. This is a 30 horse Johnson short shaft. This is a 15-inch motor. If you order the wrong length, I will not take it back, so make sure you need a short shaft. This one came back 120 psi on both cylinders. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. This is a tiller, so you won't need a control box. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and fuel system has been completely gone through. Carburetors pulled apart, checked out, cleaned. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. This is a manual start, manual tilt. And I will need the fan, otherwise it sucks in too much exhaust sitting still. Not something you have to worry about on the water, but in a test tank, we do. Pumping good water. Try not to drop my wedding ring in the tank. That would not be good. Go ahead and put it forward. It may cavitate in the tank. Neutral. Reverse. Back neutral. Shut it off. Right, shut it off here. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.